Let's make this framed star block together. Start with a 3.5-inch background square. Place a 2-inch square right sides together on the corner. Draw a diagonal line, then sew just one thread away from the line toward the corner. Flip it open to check the alignment, press, then trim, leaving a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Repeat on the other side. Remember, sew one thread away from the line, not on it. That slight offset compensates for the fold and gives you room to trim later if the alignment is a bit off. Here's a little tip: press after every seam. In quilting, pressing is part of the process, so don't skip it. Sew the 2 inches by 3.5 inches piece to the unit, then press the seam to either side. Make 4 units. Fold to find the center, then sew the 2 triangles to the strip. When attaching the triangle to the other unit, match the centers, not the edges. Align the 45-degree line on your ruler with the diagonal seam, then trim the unit to a 5-inch square. Make 4 units. Sew the units into 3 rows. For the top and bottom rows, press the seams away from the center unit. Sew the remaining units to the 3.5-inch square. Fussy cutting works beautifully for the center of the block. Press the seams toward the center. Sew the 3 rows together to complete the block. If you'd like the written cutting measurements, the link is in the description.